today we're just trying to look through how we can generate sample commit messages using Copilot. So a lot of times as developers, we make changes. Maybe we're trying to implement a feature, fix a bug, or whatever. So I will make changes to lots of files, 5 files, 10 files, 15 files, 20 files. And sometimes you have to do code reviews and then a lot of things, and you also have to now come back and try and come up with a descriptive message about all the things you change so that we can for proper tracking and for descriptive messages. So sometimes due to mental fatigue, people may just add messages that don't really exemplify what was done or don't really describe what has been achieved. So can just write something. Somebody could have seen messages where someone can just write updates or just one liners or just very short stuff, and then find out that the changes were made were quite a lot. So Copilot helps us with that. It can like parse through the files that we have changed. It can like track everything and then come up with descriptive messages about all the changes that were made. And I guess this is a big help. So for the purpose of this, just generated some files for this purpose, just for a sample card feature. So let me just initialize the repository, then we'll just see how we can generate the message. Okay, so yeah, so let me just briefly go through some of the changes made so that we'll see the kind of commits that was made. So we have some validation here. We have some interfaces for user. We have some products, some interface product cart item, then more changes here as well. And we have the cart service. Just like these are all the changes that I've made. So now let me generate a commit message, a descriptive one. So yeah, so it says implement product and cart services with main application logic. So it just comes up with a summary of all that we're trying to do and all that we've tried to achieve. So now instead of you having to like think about all the stuff that you've done, imagine now this is in your history, right? And you're going back in time to see the history of all the things that you've changed. This card alone can tell you that, okay, this is what we did in this context. So this will be essentially help us with proper tracking going forward, and then we know how to like track stuff, right? Rather than having just random messages. Sometimes it goes into a lot more detail. I guess it just depends on the number of changes and the context as well. So yeah, so that's it for today. Hope this brought you some sort of value. So once you're done with this, you can just commit, push, and yeah, that will just be that. So thank you, and till next time.